What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at a lamp. Well, it's not just any lamp. I thought this was really interesting, so I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and check this out because it's also dual flashlights built into it. It's supposed to be perfect for your home, camping, fishing, hiking. Now, the main lamp gets about 600 lumens. What I really like about it is that it's the ultra white. So it's 6,000 Kelvin, which is the super white light, which I like that because that's more true white. It's more like true light than your typical flashlight, which is kind of like a yellow, orange kind of hue look to it. Kind of ugly. Now, this has an 18650 battery built into it, and there's two ways of charging it. You can charge it with the USB cable that comes with it, or you can charge it in your car because it comes with a car charger. Plus, it's IPX4 rated, so it's not full waterproof, but it is splash proof. It's splash resistant, really. Oh, cool. Came with batteries. All right. Oh, yeah. Instruction manual tells you everything you need to know. Car charger and USB to USB. Ooh, I like that. Oh, that looks cool. So the power button right here on the front, you hit it once, and then the main lights come on, and then you hit it again, and the flashlights come on. So now you've got light all the way, oh, that one's not connected. So you can see all the way around, it's lit up. Now the back, you have your USB port, and that's for charging. So you can unscrew the bottom, put your 3 D-size batteries in it. On the top, it has a convenient compass, which is pretty cool. And it also has these handles that are on the side, so you can easily carry it like this. But what I think is probably the coolest part is the flashlights, the 2 flashlights that are on the side. What you do is you lift that up, you pull it off, and now you've got your own little handheld flashlight. And you can see it has its connectors right there and right here. All right, so once you have the batteries in there, you can see on the back, you've got the button. Click the button. Okay, so you click the button once, and it turns into just a basic flashlight. And then, and then you hit it again and it becomes a much bigger flashlight, so the lights on the side come on. So you can take these off, use them as a flashlight at the same time, you can continue using this as a lamp. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, in the middle of the night, you got this set up in your camp. Maybe you need to go off on your own, you know, use the facilities that aren't there, use the bush. When you need to go and use the bush, you grab one of these right off of it, boom, you got your own little personal light. You can set it up just like that. That's actually really cool. Oh, I wonder what would happen if I turned that on, and then that. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it should be pretty dark outside by now. Let's go check this out and see what it really looks like outside. Let's do this. All right, we're outside. I'm gonna walk further away. It's pitch black out now, so let's see how this thing looks. Only half of it is on right now, so let's see how this looks. Can you see me? I hope you guys can see me. All right, I'm gonna turn it on max. Ooh. I got my camp over here. It's got the lantern. I need to go pee. Uh-oh, I think I just set it down in some poop. All right, that's part of camping. Grab the flashlight so I can go off to the distance and use the bush. Very nice. Really cool. All right. Boom, dual flashlights. Oh yeah. All right, let's try the side ones. Okay, there's regular, and then we're gonna do the side ones. Whoa. Yeah, that's pretty bright. You should probably be able to see me now for sure. With the flashlights, the side light is my favorite. It covers a really wide area. I mean, it doesn't have a huge distance, but it covers a very wide area, and it's bright. You're done with the flashlight, slap it back on. Bam. Dude, I'm digging this. Yeah, I'm liking that. I gotta say, this is probably one of the coolest camping lanterns I've seen. Oh, don't forget. It's got the compass on the top. Can't forget that. You never know. Could be camping and then you get yourself lost in the forest. Not a good idea. What was it, 25 bucks? Yeah, 25 bucks, this thing's pretty awesome. I gotta say, if I was gonna go camping, I'm definitely gonna be taking this along with me. But it definitely works, so I'm definitely digging it. Nice. And this is gonna go great with what we have in store for tomorrow, so come back tomorrow. All right, guys, well, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I highly suggest checking this out. It's got good ratings and it's cheap. So if you ever need a lamp, even if you're not gonna go camping, I mean, just to have a lamp. Be a cool backup light source in case power goes out. That's what I'll use it for sure. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your guys' hands, but as for now, get out of here. Where's the button? There we go, now leave.